Hey, Rob Sonic. Today I'm excited to introduce myViewBoard, where we're getting rid of the traditional whiteboard and merging the virtual with the physical. myViewBoard is an ecosystem. Have a mobile phone, a tablet, a digital whiteboard, web access, then we got you covered. First thing you want to do is sign for a myViewBoard account. So put in your organization's email or take advantage of our one-click sign-in with either Google or Microsoft, and then pay special attention to your unique myViewBoard name. Pick a good one because you're going to use it a lot. Check the box and hit sign up. And you'll receive an activation email much like this. Tap activate and your account will be activated and you're ready to sign in. And at the top you'll see your dashboard with all the features. We have throw, casting features, remote control, cloud storage, follow me AI, and download, right? And that's what we're going to do first. For download options, we have both 32-bit and 64-bit, and companion apps, which you can take advantage of with our QR codes. For us, we're going to go 64-bit. Let's tap on that, and our download should start at the bottom here. Alright, with our features, we have throw, where you can send files to the canvas. We have cast in, where a device can share their screen onto the canvas. We have cast out, which is the opposite, where you can send share the canvas with the device. We have the remote control, where as a host you can control who's casting in and who's casting out. Next to that, we have cloud storage, where you can link your online storage accounts. And most important of all, we have follow me AI, where you can control your settings, background, tiles, and all your pins. Now, if you want to learn more in depth about these features, check the description below. After you install the software, we're going to open it. Let's tap on it here. Here's your canvas. And in our next video, we're going to introduce all the tools and their features.